Hello, everyone. Today, Europe is betting heavily onto the critical infrastructure. This is the new buildings, new airplanes, and this infrastructure is being built on the machines which are usually 30 to 40 years old and being tuned by the operators who is already 40 to 50 years old and getting retired. And our company is providing the following value. Same machine, more output with less energy and higher profitability. Sounds like a dream. So my name is Sergey Altenbaev. I'm a material science engineer, and today I'll be talking about the three things. It's a challenge industrial manufacturers have, the solution, and value to the customer. And of course, you'll hear the real-time feedback from our partner, Tubacex. So the challenges of the industry: lack of skilled labor, technology improvement and storage. Legacy machines generate vast amount of data, but factories cannot convert into the action. Supply chain risk, geopolitical crises, raw material lack of supply, quality control and predictive maintenance. And despite being a very young company, we organized our company 2 years ago. We already have a trust for the following names in the market. And Ailoys provide a very simple solution. Think about the self-tuning guitar. Our acoustic sensors listening to the process and tell machine how to improve the process. Machine start learning from the process itself. And it's super easy, plug and play. And we are bringing a real impact, 90% of the scrap reduction, 50x customer ROI, and 10% of electricity savings, and around 6 tons per machine per year saved CO2 emissions. And here, how does it work? This is the process happening. Our acoustic sensors capturing the fingerprint. And as like Spotify, many of you use this, Shazam, many of you use this song recognition technology. Our sensors are listening to the process and say which kind of defects you are hearing right now and what can machine do in real time to adjust the process. And we are providing our solutions in not only in tube manufacturing, in CNC machines, in wire drawing, and we provide overview over the assets, overall equipment efficiency, then stability of the process, health status of the process, and of course our unique selling point, it's AI agents, unique intelligence scripts which are running into your data 24/7 and analyzing this unique data acoustic layer which we are providing and bringing the value, saying what's going wrong and how to fix it. And basically that's it. 4 steps: prove the value, build process intelligence, validate ROI, and scale across production. And now I would like to pass the word to my colleague from Tubacex, John.
Okay, so to give you a little bit of context, this collaboration it's part of our increasing efficiency and industrial plan in our plants. This is the first time that we are introducing AA in our process. We have like a ultrasonic technology, you have laser technology, but it's the first time that we are connecting with AA technology. We are already connected in our cold pilger plant, that is a cold pilgering for tube production, and we are already having these signals. These signals are being connected with our process and our machine. With this, we expect to improve the self-control of the operator and also the control in the machine, so that if there is any incident, we can stop the machine immediately and stop quality issues. So the time is over. Thank you.
Thank you.